Hello and welcome to the Magic Pencil, part of Boggle Socks TV. My name's Andrew and this is
Yuli.
And today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to draw a
cute backpack.
If you enjoy our tutorial, please subscribe to our channel. Shall we get started?
Yes.
Let's begin.
Can I now do like a circle, but like a bit like a triangle like this?
Okay, so something like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then do something like a rectangle, but not with straight edges.
Right, so like a rounded rectangle.
Now, it's not a real word, but now do like a semi-rectangle.
A semi-rectangle, okay, I get what you mean. So, and then we're joining it up, okay.
And then, because it's going to be a rabbit, do two eyes like this. And then do a little triangle nose just upside down.
Like that?
Yeah, and then do like a nose.
Okay, like that. Upside down triangle.
It's
Yeah.
a bit like Hello Kitty, instead
Okay.
it's Hello Rabbit.
Hello Rabbit, okay.
And then you can do like two whiskers. Like that.
Like
now
that.
to add it a bit more detail, do like lines like for like sewing bits.
Oh, the stitches.
Yeah.
Where do we put the stitches?
Yeah.
In the top rectangle.
Now.
Hold on. I've got to catch up. Okay.
Now, because it's a rabbit, we have to do the bunny, the rabbit ears. Like this.
Okay. So,
And then you copy on the inside for like the bits where you got the hair.
oh, for the inside of
Yeah.
the ears, okay. So, is that right? Like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then we have to do more stitches like around there.
Okay. Along the seam.
Yeah. Lot of stitches. Yeah.
I'll tell you what, I'd be looking forward to going back to school if I had a backpack like this.
Now, because it's a backpack, how would you wear it? So we have to do like this bit.
I like the strap on the
Yeah,
top.
where you can hang it.
Okay, so that's the hook. Like that?
Luckily for this one, you don't have to do any stitches.
Oh, okay.
Then we do like a kind of an S or like a question mark.
Okay.
But then you overlap by doing this.
Like that. And then it comes back out that way.
Then you have to copy it like this, and then like that, and then connect.
Okay, so like that. And then like that. Okay.
Now for this one, you have to do stitches.
Oh, okay. Where do the stitches go? In the middle?
Yeah. And then we're gonna do the same thing again. And,
On this side?
yeah. And then stitches again after you've done that.
And stitches along there.
You forgot over here.
Oh, I forgot that bit. Okay. Like that. Okay. And then is that it?
Yeah. Now let's get. Now I think it's time for us to colour in.
Wow, Yuli, that is an amazing drawing. Give me a high five. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial, and if you did, subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to follow us on our Facebook page, which is Magic Pencil Art for Kids. We're still running a competition where you can win this amazing book on how to draw animals. Realistically, all you got to do is send in your pictures to our Facebook page and the winner will win this fantastic prize. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial and we look forward to seeing you soon. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Fantastic cat. That